nothing. Jesus Christ, please stop. Stop. No, I'm not.
You want to answer that now?
What? Can you come out here and watch me sit marshmallows? Can you come in here and watch me sit marshmallows?
Sam.
Will you not be responsible for these two burning themselves?
Yes, these aren't my friends. They're just my cousins.
Get away from the fire!
Bye.
Mario.
Rylan, you can get a steak now if you wanted to cook one.
And then 3, and then 4, and then eat from my stomach's full. Oh, Daddy-o.
I love burnt marshmallows.
I love
Yo, guys, can't got my stick.
Move.
How?
This is my blue flame.
Hey, here!
Shut up! Oh, good thing it didn't get in any of the grass. It's good. You know what, Bubba? Shut up. Stupid child. Bubba, look how I made mine. You gave up.
Are you serious? Come here, let me get this thing off your back. Stop. Okay, stop. Now!
CMPFRAS, so when you song.
Bear!
Hallelujah.
Bear. Bear. Bear.
Oh, yes, sir.
Bear needs in.
What?
Bear needs in.
Too good.
Guys, come open it now.
I can't.
Now! Kevin's too bitsy, baby.
Oh.